city, hard at work. How long have you had this car?
I've had it about 5 or 6 years, no, maybe longer. It's a 96.
Yeah, it's in way better shape than mine. Different setup on the dash, though. Well, you put dials in, that's why.
This guy's going to burn to death in a minute.
Holy crap, is it on fire? How come there's not a fire truck here?
We haven't got it here yet. Give him a minute.
They're going to lose their equipment.
Yep.
It's already on fire.
Yep.
Holy crap, where's it go?
Here comes the fire truck.
You have power windows on this?
Yep.
Huh?
Yes.
Do you know where I can get the switch?
Oh, wreckers now.
Oh God, no. I can't even find them at the wreckers.
They're very hard to find.
They are.
You can get them from the dealer, but they cost you an arm and a leg.
Holy shit, the whole thing's on fire now. Get out, man! The fuck is wrong with you? Here they come. Look at that, eh? Oh, that whole thing's shit. Wow, look at that. Shut down Spears. He's on fire, all right. Everything's fine.
No, that's not too bad.
Isn't that a tree checker?
Mm-hmm.
Why would it be on fire then?
All the wood in there.
I've never seen one go on fire. I don't know, like a good thing. Anybody got marshmallows? I don't know how it's on.